I eat, breathe, and sleep design. Well, we're gonna see. We're gonna try and get as close to her budget as possible, or she's gonna have to make some other fabric choices. She won't have, right. We're gonna go to Jersey to teach my class, and on the way there, I'm going to have a whole laundry list of people I need to get in touch with and follow up with. So I'm gonna do all that work while I'm in the car because I could just go from phone call to phone call without interruption.
Fire flame wisdom this morning.
Fire flame wisdom this morning. Do you. Don't focus on what other people are doing, just focus on what you're doing. Stay in your own lane, live and let live, and you'll be good.
Hold on, I think you could talk more about that though.
Oh yeah?
About doing you.
Doing you. Like, do what's right for you. Don't base your decisions on what other people think you should be doing. You're the only person who could know what's right for you, and chase it. You know how many people told me that I could not do this? I can't do what I'm doing. Like, you're married, you have kids, how you're gonna balance all of this, and if I listened to them, I wouldn't be anywhere. I just read this thing on Instagram, a meme. Haters are gonna hate, cheaters are gonna cheat, lovers are gonna love, and hustlers are gonna hustle. You either have that ambition and drive, or you don't. And if you don't, it's fine. It's just, but if you do, then you're gonna be able to make anything happen. If you work for it, it's gonna happen.
Do you think luck plays any part of it?
No, I don't. Hard work and not giving up.
Stacy drops bars and eats bars.
Yeah. What do you mean I drop bars?
You drop those bars.
What bars?
Those knowledge bars.
I don't care. Like, people come up to me all the time and they're like, oh, do you see what this designer does? Do you see what that designer does? And I'm not saying that, like, I'm not in tune to what is going on and what other people are doing, but at the same time, I don't focus on it either. I don't care. I care about what I'm doing.
So you don't compare yourself?
No, because I don't compare myself to anyone because there's no one like me. Like, I say this all the time. People say, like, oh, who are your competitors? And the truth is, yes, I have business competitors in terms of, like, I'm competing on a job between me and a couple of other designers to get hired for that job. But at the end of the day, I don't have any competition because I do my own thing. Like, I do what I do and they do what they do, and it's never going to compare apples to apples because so much a part of this is also personality and chemistry. Like, you're not going to have chemistry with everybody. It's like when you're dating, like, you know, you're going to wind up with every single person you went on a date with. No, you just have to see who you have chemistry with and who you don't. And therefore, I bring it. What drives me is, you know, to be better than I was the day before. That's my philosophy in life. Keep it real, keep it honest, keep it simple. And then you can't go wrong. Like, whatever energy you're putting out there is the energy that you're going to attract back. So I only want to work with people who appreciate what I bring to the table.
Thank you.
What? Yeah, I'm here. Oh. Everybody brought their broom drawn out, which I'm sure yours is perfect because you were to the 1/8 of the inch. So I'm sure that, like, we talked about, you know, converting that to scale.
Yes, that's what I did it because that's.
Oh, because you were
FaceTime.
perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect. And then the other part is I went around the room and I had everybody present, what it is that they wanted, to evoke in their room. Right this second is a continuation of that, and what I specifically asked her for were images of what she sees as elegant and classy and practical. So let's see. For next time is I want a more fully developed plan. I want a more comprehensive plan based on what we talked about today. I want actual, I want you to play around with your cutouts of, the different elements in your room, move them around, figure out what works best, sleep on it. Sometimes you wake up in the morning, you're like, oh, I thought about that, and maybe it's gonna be annoying if I do this, and play around with it till you get it to a firm, something that you like. I like this, I think it works, and I'm going with this layout, and then I want you to bring me the actual pieces that you're finding in order to complete this.